Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. The late reggae icon Dennis Brown was celebrated on Sunday at the Reggae Icons concert that was held on the waterfront in downtown Kingston. The reggae concert is the newest addition to the month-long reggae celebrations that focuses on musicians who have contributed to the establishment and development of the genre. The Reggae Icon concert saw performances from Luciano, Freddie McGregor, Iba Mar, Ken Booth, Elaine, George Nooks, Dean Fraser, and Short Boss, among others. The tribute to Dennis Brown was one of several motions that formed part of Reggae Month celebrations.
When you said Dennis Brown, it touched many nerves in my body, because Dennis Brown is one of the artists that really inspire what Richie Stephens is about as it relates to music.
It's a pleasure to be here for Reggae Month. We just came down to pay homage to the birthplace of reggae music. And I'm really happy and excited to be here.
Tonight we call the iconic night, the night that we pay tribute to our musical icons. And this will be an annual event during Reggae Month where we will single out one of our iconic artists and we will have a major event in tribute.
The concert is a joint effort between Jamaica Reggae Industry Associations, the Dennis Brown Trust, along with the Reggae Month organizing team. Reggae artist Jamil recently wrapped up the 14-city tour of the United States. The Strongest Soldier tour made stops in Kansas and Minnesota, San Diego, Oakland, Los Angeles, and Arizona. Jamil completed the final stop in Philadelphia on Sunday, then jetted off to Gambia, where he's scheduled to make his first performance this weekend. He arrived in Gambia this morning and will perform at the Independence Stadium on Friday. The artist is also putting the final touches on his debut album, but has not yet set a release date for the project. Recording artist Mr. Vegas was recently awarded Artist of the Year by the Caribbean Culture Board at the prestigious Harvard University. The award received by Mr. Vegas honors musicians for their contribution to the music industry. Mr. Vegas is grateful for being recognized as the 2017 Caribbean Artist of the Year and took to social media where he thanked the university and Caribbean Cultural Board. According to Mr. Vegas, he accepts the award with love and humility for his 20 years in the music business. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.